Hi, my name is Andy Knueve, and I'm here today to talk with you regarding the attorney-client privilege that exists when you come in and speak with an attorney. We get a lot of questions about when that arises. Is what I say here in the office, is that confidential? And the short and simple answer is that the attorney-client privilege arises whenever a person comes in to seek any legal advice, counsel regarding their rights, methods, or the forum where they can enforce their legal rights. So if you come in and you have a question, regarding an accident that you were in or a will that wants to be drawn up, any conversation that you have with an attorney regarding that, that specific conversation will be confidential. However, the only time when a confidential statement between an attorney and a person would not be deemed privileged is when the person comes in and speaks with an attorney for the purpose of trying to commit a crime or fraud. The purpose of this attorney-client privilege is that we want to promote a full and frank conversation between an attorney and a client so we can best advise our clients on what is needed, and a lot of times we can't give the best advice until we know the full picture, and we need our clients to be honest. It's important to remember that this is a client's privilege. It is not our privilege. It's not an attorney's privilege. The client is the only person that can waive that privilege. Another important thing to remember about the attorney-client privilege is a lot of times we have people who bring in a friend or a loved one with them to speak with an attorney because oftentimes it is a stressful experience. Please remember that in order for a conversation between an attorney and client to be privileged, it has to be confidential. Therefore, we cannot have any third parties in the room. Now, if you're comfortable with not having the specific conversation be confidential, you are more than welcome to bring in your loved one or friend or family member in to have the conversation. However, I and every attorney in this office will let you know that if a third person is present during that conversation, then that specific conversation will not be confidential due to the fact that there is an outside party listening. If you have any other questions regarding the attorney-client privilege or any other legal questions for that matter, feel free to give us a call here at the office, 419-227-3423.